सेंट्रल रिजर्व फोर्स पुलिस फोर्स यानी सीआरपीएफ के 81वां राइजिंग डे हैदराबाद के नेकलेस रोड पीपल्स प्लाजा पर मुनक्किद किया गया। इस तकरीब में तेलंगाना के गवर्नर ESL नरसिम्हन ने शिरकत की। इन्होंने सीआरपीएफ की सताइश की। इन्होंने सीआरपीएफ और आवाम को पानी की बचत करने और माहौलियात के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए शजरकारी करने की अपील भी की।
Owe it to you for protecting the unity and integrity of India, a force that moves at short notice from one end of the country to the other end of the country without a murmur. I compliment all personnel of this force once again on this wonderful occasion and wish you many, many happy returns of the day. On this great day, I think you have chosen an extremely valid criteria for observing the day, namely save water, save life, save earth. Gentlemen, as we will all appreciate, minus water we are nowhere. And today the need of the hour is for every one of us to dedicate ourselves to saving water in whatever little way we can. I think I would request that all forces and all places we should have rainwater harvesting facilities, and we should, all of us should save water to the extent we can. Even a bucket of water a day, if we are able to save, it means a lot. And I request all members of this great force and all citizens of Hyderabad and the entire state of Telangana to please save water. We need to save water if we have to save earth and to save our own lives.